In this quick guide, I will show you how to reset WhatsApp on your iPhone. Whether you are fixing bugs, clearing storage, or starting fresh, this step-by-step guide has got you covered. Before resetting, it's important to save your chats. So open your WhatsApp, navigate to the settings page, click on the option chat. Now click on the option chat backup and click on the option backup. Make sure iCloud Drive is enabled in your iPhone settings. Wait until the backup finishes before moving to the next step. Now what you have to do is completely delete WhatsApp from your device and reinstall it. So close this. Navigate to the WhatsApp, press and hold on it, select the option remove app, click on the option delete app, click on delete. Then launch your app store, search for the app WhatsApp. After app appears, install it. Once installed, open the WhatsApp and follow the setup steps. Agree to the terms, enter your phone number and verify it. WhatsApp will detect your iCloud backup. Tap Restore Chat History and wait for it to complete. All your chats will return, but settings will be reset to default. And that's it. You have successfully reset WhatsApp on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.